Long time you know do a video like this. Me that talk to somebody and them say, yo, Andrew, do a video on love or being in love. My point of view on the whole love definition is, first, let me give you the meaning of love, and then me I try to explain my thought. Now the word love or I love you, that's a very powerful word, and it's powerful for how you use it. Not more sweet up a woman's heart than to say I love you to her. That's because I love you or love is a powerful word. It comes with a whole heap of thing when somebody tell you I love you. It comes with I will protect you, I will be there for you, I will love you forever. It says I will put you first. You can trust me. And because of that, when anytime anybody use that word love out of bounds or just to say it, that means more free sex. Not for to get played. When a guy say I love you, wanna get played every day. Well, someone will say a woman pum pum governed by her heart. I want to say that meaning you can't tell her what she want to hear for have sex. Example. Stop now. Take off your clothes now.
I don't want to do it.
Yo, I'm here, yo. Stop moving someone. Take off your clothes now.
No.
I love you.
You love me? Alright.
I wonder if you hear me. The word love and loving someone, you have to pay a high price. It's like marriage, yeah. As for some women out there, them don't really want to hear that. Them don't really want to hear the sweet talk where you have to give them now, not like that. Because most women used to getting played and all of that. Big woman, me talk grown woman. You don't have to be real as some of the money I'll go around right now and I show this word I love you, I love you. Forget what them want. Or if you use you. Never say I love you unless you really mean it. Comment, subscribe and rate. I'm out.
We got respect, trust, all of the above. Yeah, that one you feel like love. When I come from work, girl, you greet me with a kiss and with a hug. Hell yeah, that one you feel like love. Lay down on the couch, baby girl, me think you need a back rub. Yeah, that one you feel like love. Take off your clothes, cause me got the bubble bath up in the tub. Hell yeah, that one you feel like love.